Okay, so I'm out here giving Weather Girl realness. I wanted you guys to see what she looks like in like the lighting. Like, I love, oh my God, I'm obsessed. I'm in Joe's room, by the way. This is his studio, so you guys can see. He's gonna be my butt because I'm not supposed to be in here. But I really wanted to show you guys what she was looking. Oh, bitch. Look, he has better lighting, like better natural light. Are you guys into this? I'm into it. She's effortless. So happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know we had to do it twice. I would do this again in a heartbeat. Oh my goodness, I would. I love this style. It looks like she might not hold, but I haven't sprayed any hairspray on her, so that might be why too. So yeah, you guys are into this.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. How do you guys feel when I show up and I don't have on any makeup? Like, is that weird for y'all? I just be coming through, okay? Because we're going to do a real deep dive, start to finish, with this Hurela hair. So I've been telling you guys how I've been really into like different hair techniques. So today we're going to try out the Velcro curlers that I got. Okay, we're going to do like, I'm going to try and keep it brief, but we're going to see. We're going to see. I've been really studying up on this so I can bring it to you guys because I really want a voluminous curl. But let me introduce you to the hair that Hurela Hair provided us with. So I'm coming through with a T4 112. Okay, body wave unit. She's 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. All right, here's my phone so I can find out how much she costs. Come on, girl, you damn, I already wanted to check. Okay. So I'm coming through with a 24-inch T4 112, T412 unit, body wave unit. She really is pretty, actually. From Hurela Hair, okay? She had, the cap construction is really beautiful. The lace looks wonderful. It looks a little light, but down here, up here it looks light, but down here it doesn't. So let me give you a close look at the lace. Yeah, she look a little light, a little light, all right? She has a 13x4 lace, guys, all right? 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, okay? This is a body wave unit. I'm really going to take my time with this one, get her together. I really want to do a voluminous, sexy Valentine's Day look, okay? It's Valentine's Day. We want to look good. Valentine's Day is coming up. We want to look good for it. And I want to give you guys some options. Now, this is going to take us, because I got to get the hair the way I want it to. I got to make sure I layer her and everything like that. This is going to be a full-blown video. So be prepared. All right. So, what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to shut my mouth and get into it. But I'll have like some commentary on the side while I'm doing it. Okay. So you guys don't feel like I'm leaving y'all out. So again, this unit at 24 inches is going for just about $237 on the site, okay? But you guys don't have to worry. Hurela Hair always has a link or some kind of coupon code so you can get some coins off, okay? I know I'm sounding a little sluggish right now. I had a biscuit. And I'm in this place where I think I have a gluten allergy, guys. Like, I think I have a gluten allergy, and I shouldn't have had a mammy business. But I did it anyway. So, that's my life. So, we're going to see how I'm feeling in the next couple hours. Along with the hair, Hurela Hair so graciously provided us with gifts. We got some wig caps that we'll desperately need today, okay? Some clips. That was my my dryer. Lashes, and a scarf. got the lace all done. We got our curtain bangs cut. What I'm going to do now is go through. I have my, I'm going to section my hair off, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 jumbos right in the middle, or like maybe 3 to 6 going all the way down. And then I'm going to do a couple on the side, not too many, couple on this side as well. And we're going to see what we're working with. But I'm going to try to do this like a dry situation. So what the point of, I know you can't see my face, so let me do this. The way this works is that when you have a heat roller, I put one in the back. When you have a heat roller, a Velcro roller, what you want to do is add heat to it first, okay? Sometimes people, you go to Dominicans, they wet your hair and then they use the brush, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to brush, get some vented heat in there, okay? And then we're going to put on the roller. And the point is that you want to give something, you want to heat the hair up, roll it, okay, and then let it cool in that same position. That's why these Velcro rollers are the way they are. So we're going to go on through. I'm going to take my time like I've been doing. I'm going to use up all my goddamn memory to do this one video. But I'm really excited because I think we can get something real cute out of this. Because I really want some big, sexy, voluminous hair. Went through and did the rest of my hair. I just want this to kind of clip a little bit tighter. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just do this one side. Like I told you guys earlier, the point of this is to make sure that the curls are hot when the hair is hot when you do it, and it holds. Okay, there we go. That's much better. And that you roll it up hot, the hair hot. And add an angle because you don't want to get a bubble. You see that? Look how pretty that is. That's a good one. All right. And I've been kind of hooking them on each other. Boom! Look how tight she is. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. I got a loose one back there. I'm gonna have to tighten her up. Because I want my curls to be curling. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? I want my curls to be curling. Okay. And then I'm going to get my life together, beat this face. And then we'll see what she look like on the other side. These duck clips are coming in handy. Boom! I am done. I'm going to beat my face and see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. All right, my loves, I'm back. And if I'm being honest, I'm nervous as hell, okay? I've never done this before. We just want to do this together. And if it's jacked up, I'm going to fix it. I promise, okay? Are y'all ready? So I beat my face, as you can see, threw on my Valentine's Day wear. We don't expect it to be curly. What we're looking for is volume. Okay. I'm not too optimistic yet. Okay. So let's go see. But like I said, we're trying it. And if it's a fail, it's a fail. Which is looking like it's a fail. Yo, I very rarely fail at these things. So I'm like a real life kitchen beautician. So when something don't go right, I can see why, as I'm pulling them out, why it didn't go right. But hopefully, ooh, even though we got a little bit of volume, I can still do a little something with it. Okay, see, like that's what it was supposed to be. Y'all see what I mean? I think it's still gonna give me kind of what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna have to go through and tighten up these curls a bit. Let me do that last, the bangs. Okay, so it gave me the volume, but maybe not the look. Kinda. My love, so you guys saw how I failed at this. I went back. No, I didn't record what I did, but I'll tell you what I think I did wrong. I think I didn't use enough curls. So here I am okay, after recurling this up. I use way more curls in the back, okay? And I put the medium ones in the front. I have the big ones in the middle and in the back. But I wanted to make sure that we gave, I could not be defeated. I just wouldn't allow it to happen. So I'm here. Let's take these down and see what we're working with. So what I did was I rolled these back up. Start from the bottom. I rolled these back up already. Can you guys see that? Already, I'm happier with that. And I put it underneath my hooded dryer. And I just let it sit. I didn't add no more like anything to it. I just let it sit and cool down, okay? The bigger thing is that you do this for the volume in real life. You know what I mean? So I ended up messing up all my clips, putting it underneath the dryer. Yeah, that's done. So I have so many clips I need to throw out, but I get so many of them, which is a blessing. So just gonna pull these down. The only thing I hate is how you gotta, like, I put these in so neat. I wish I would have filmed it. I'm mad at myself for not doing that, but I put them in so neat, and then it comes out like this, which is upsetting. Like, this one is better. Yeah, that's much better. Mucho better. And I'm just pulling them on down because it shouldn't be hard. You know what I mean? Like, you should be able to. There you go. Like, I want it to be soft and sexy. I have on this, this is a dress from, where is this from? This is from Misguided. Okay. So the girl told me when I did it and I twisted it at the top to make sure, well, I'm obsessed, to make sure that I can get them all in. And I feel like, as much as I feel like that worked, take this out, make sure there's no clips in here. This one is a good one. And then this is the last one. This is our curtain bangs. Oh, I don't know how that was supposed to go, but it wasn't supposed to look like that. So I'm just gonna run my fingers. Okay. So this is her after we take out the rollers. Let me pull myself up a bit. There you go. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely positively obsessed. I'm glad we went back and did it again. She's just giving effortless, and that's really what I wanted to do in the first place. So I hope you guys are into this one as well. Let me do this. What do you guys think? Did we end up giving what she was supposed to give? I think she's sexy. I think she's giving Valentine's effortless. I would do this 1,000% again now that I know what I'm doing. I would do this 8,000% again. Again and again and again. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to come back and try this again. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bust down. We will not be defeated. And happy Valentine's Day, my love. Bye.